Emmy, you haven't seen Linda Rose in 4 weeks. Are you ready to welcome her back from vacation? Go see Linda Rose!